Hello, guys. Kirk here with the World Monster Truck Alliance, ready for action as 16 trucks will do battle here in El Paso at the Sun Bowl. After qualifying, I'm going to go ahead and show you the brackets. Here's basically what happened in qualifying. Our fast qualifier was Backwards Bob. That is Lee Twizzleton going up against Blacksmith, who was the slowest qualifier, and it's Monster Jam every day. El Matador is Lane Flores Mora. That was the 8th qualifier, going up against 9 seed Michael Serio in Pure Adrenaline. Nitro Hornet with Monster Jam 626, going up against Barbarian Ryan Davis. We've got Freedom Force. That's Mega Monster Jam 907A, going up against King Crunch Kyle Knickerbocker. The third quickest truck was Wild Hair Monster Jam AXD, going up against Metal Militia Nathan Smith. The 6th qualifier was Airborne Ranger. It's Dylan Stevens in the Airborne Ranger, going up against Cena Honor in Stone Crusher. We've got Sting with Dom Bro in Sting, going up against Tasmanian Devil Monster Jammer 9879. And the second qualified truck was Grinder CM Punk Fan 338, going up against Monster Patrol Tom Todd. So now that we've set the bracket, we're going to go ahead and start with round 1 racing. First up is Backwards Bob and Blacksmith. Trucks out of the Feld Motorsports stable. And Blacksmith pulls off the upset. Blacksmith, after a bad qualifying effort, gets out of the first round. There you see it. Blacksmith moving on. Next up, El Matador and Pure Adrenaline. And the flip at the wheel stand by Pure Adrenaline, enough to win. 9 seed Pure Adrenaline going on to face Blacksmith in the next round. Nitro Hornet draws Barbarian. And they kept going, they keep going, and it looks like Barbarian's going to knock off Nitro Hornet. Good run for Barbarian. So far, the trucks that qualified the best haven't raced the best. This is very interesting. Freedom Force going up against King Crunch. Freedom Force and King Crunch, and a false start by Freedom Force there. I'll go ahead and line them back up. There you see Freedom Force and King Crunch. King Crunch having troubles at the end. Freedom Force gets the win. Wild Hair and Metal Militia are next. Wild Hair and Metal Militia. Wild Hair keeps going. Good run for Wild Hair. Airborne Ranger and Stone Crusher. It looks like Airborne Rangers got the win. Down to Two more matchups in the round. Sting and Taz. Ooh, close. This is going to be close. I'm going to try to measure it up. It looks like Taz slightly further in a very close matchup. And that leaves our last matchup, Grinder, going up against Monster Patrol. Monster Patrol having a hard time with the course. Grinder going way far. One of the better runs of the night for Grinder. So that's the end of round one. Please stay tuned for round two.